Hi and a very warm welcome to my channel. So as you all may know by the title itself that yes, I'll be going ahead and sharing with you some of my Nykaa sale recommendations for you guys. I mean my product recommendations, because Nykaa is gonna have their hot pink sale, which is starting from 23rd of July till the 27th of July. So if you are looking for something similar to what I'm gonna show you, or if you are looking for a certain product, then I hope this video will help you in some way or the other. If you're watching this space for the first time, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon right beside the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a video and you can be a part of my tiny little family right here on YouTube. And now without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So most of the products that I'm gonna recommend you, or most of the products that I'll be sharing with you here, are below $1,000. So you don't have to go ahead and spend a lot of money, but there is just one product that is about 1,000, and it has to be this one right here. It has to be this one right here. This is the Wishful YoGlow Enzyme Scrub, and this is the 20 ml tube that I have with me. I got it in a set which is called the Glow Set, and it comes with the Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. I am not a huge fan of the jelly moisturizer, but I personally love using this product, and I have almost used it 3 times, and it does helps in retexturizing your skin, which is what they claim to do. And the skincare concerns that it targets is tired, dull and even textured skin. So I personally saw a lot of difference in my texture of the skin. It's a skincare product, so you have to go ahead and try it out. Watch other YouTubers or other favorite influencers that you love listening to, and then go ahead and make a purchase of this product if you have an uneven skin or textured skin. The next product on my recommendation list is again a skincare product, and it has to be this one right here. This is the Dr. Sheth's Basic Brightening Extra Gentle Daily Peel, and it has glycolic acid, lactic acid, pomegranate and calendula extract. And I got this on the recommendation of my favorite Manvi Singh. She is a YouTuber. You can definitely go ahead and follow her, subscribe to her channel. She makes amazing skincare content related videos. I have been loving this. Again, this is a very gentle daily peel. It is not that scrub thing which you get. It is a gentle peel, and all you have to do is just massage this in your skin for 2 to 3 minutes, leave it on for a few seconds and then wash it off, and your skin will feel nice and supple and clean. The actual price is $8.50, but you can always get this on sale. The next skincare product that I want to talk about is this one right here. This is the Minimalist Niacinamide 10% plus zinc, and if you have watched my skincare related videos that I have shared over here on my YouTube channel, then you might have come across this product. This is the Be Minimalist skincare product, and I have emptied 3 to 4 bottles of this particular skincare product, and I do have one more backup which is downstairs. They have actually changed their packaging. Before it used to come in the transparent glass bottle, but now they have changed the packaging to this one. This is a dark glass bottle again, and I have been using this constantly every single day before I go to sleep. This has to be in my nighttime skincare routine, and this has helped a lot with my acne scarring. The next product on my recommendation list is this one. This is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock, and I kid you not, but using a sunscreen is so crucial for me. I personally don't skip sunscreen. If I'm going out of the house, I have to go ahead and use a lot of sunscreen, but there are times when I just have to stay indoors. I'll still go ahead and use a little bit of it, but not much. But when I'm stepping out of the house, I need a good amount of sunscreen, and this is what I have been constantly using. And also, let me show you something. Do you see this tanning over here? Last month I went ahead and visited the beach area, and I was there in the sunlight for a whole day, and this is what happened to my skin. My half of the skin is completely tanned, as you can see, but my face and this portion was not tanned because obviously I had a top that I had worn, and my face was slathered with this sunscreen. That is the reason why my face did not get tanned or burnt. So I'm just going ahead and showing you what exactly it means when I tell you guys to go ahead and wear sunscreen. If you love wearing makeup, then it is important to go ahead and take off your makeup at the end of the day before you hit the bed. And for that, I would go ahead and recommend you this product that you see right here. This is the Plum Illuminance Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. This is my second tub that I'm using, and as you can see, I'm almost over with this, and I personally love using this. If I have to go ahead and take off my makeup, I love using this product. And then I'll go in with this last and the final product recommendation. Then it has to be this one. This is the Garnier Micellar Water, and this is, I have emptied a lot of micellar waters. So yes, I personally love using this to go ahead and get rid of any excess makeup that's on my face. So now, since we are done with the skincare category, let's dive into some makeup. And there are a few makeup products that I have personally used, and I have used it on camera with you guys as well. So that is what I'll be going ahead and sharing with you. So the first product has to be the Maybelline's Fit Me foundation. Here, this is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless foundation, and I personally love using this foundation. Plus, it is a buildable foundation, so you can definitely go ahead and build up the coverage. If you want a natural looking makeup, then you can just go in with a little bit of this product. But if you want to get that full face of makeup or full face of foundation, then you can go ahead and build it up using this foundation. The second product I would recommend you is this one right here. This is the Insight Stay Matte Liquid Foundation, and this is again oil-free, full coverage, matte finish, studio finish, paraben-free foundation. And this I recently got. You have seen my video where I went ahead and I created this makeup look. This is the foundation that I have used, and I personally loved this foundation, and it is quite inexpensive. That is what surprises me. I think it is for something around $219, $220. So yes, definitely check this out. And if you are looking for a concealer but you are not sure of what shade will suit your skin tone, then I think you can definitely go in with something like this. This is the Insight Pro Concealer Palette, and it has Conceal, Correct and Contour shades. I think there are two different shade range in this particular concealer palette. So I went in with this one right here. This has a color corrector, which is this orange corrector, to go ahead and hide any of my darkness that I have under my eyes. And I think this is the perfect concealer palette that you can go in with if you are not sure of what shade will suit your skin tone. So definitely check this out. Again, you want to go ahead and enhance your eyes, I have got you covered. I have few products that I really want to go ahead and recommend you. The first one has to be a good mascara. I personally love using mascara. So the first one on my list has to be this one. This is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and this is the second bottle of this particular mascara that I'm using. Next product is this one right here. This is the Blue Heaven eyeliner. This is again a good affordable Blue Heaven eyeliner, and this is what I have on my eyes today. Again, it is quite inexpensive. Next mascara I want to talk about is this one. This is again from the house of Maybelline. It is their Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara, and this is what it looks like. It has this beautiful wand that you see, which can give your lashes a lot of volume. So you can also go ahead and check this out. And there is just one lipstick recommendation, because there are tons and tons of lipsticks in the market, and you can pick and choose whatever you like as per your need. But there is just one product or one lipstick that I want to go ahead and recommend you, which has to be this one right here. This is the Insight Non-Transfer Lip Color, and again, this is so inexpensive. It is just for something around 90 bucks, and you get a good amount of product in it, the size of the tube or the lipstick. And I personally love this particular shade. Shade name is called Joyful. That is what I have on my lips. And let me tell you, the wand of this, the formula of this lipsticks are to die for. And these lipsticks are not drying on your lips if you have your lips nicely moisturized. But if you go ahead and use this particular lipstick without adding a lip balm, then I think you can feel a little bit of dryness on your lips. But apart from that, it is an amazing lipstick for the price that you pay. Okay, so that is all I have for you today in this video. Let me just go ahead and put a disclaimer before I end this video, is that whatever products that I have showed you in this video are something that I have used personally and I have loved it and I still use it. So these are my own personal views and opinions on this particular products. But if you are looking for a certain product that I have showed you in this video, then please go ahead and watch other YouTubers or any of your favorite influencers that you trust on, and see them, watch them, and listen to what they say or listen to what they have to talk about this product, and only then go ahead and do your investment in this particular product. Yes, that is all I have to say in this today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did like this video, then please go ahead and smash that like button down below, and don't forget to take care of yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, peace and love to you all. Bye.